Hello student, welcome to Nelson's English School. Today we are going to start our chapter number 7 Subhasitani. Subhasitani means student, Subhasitas or good thoughts. So dear student, before starting translation of our chapter, let's see small summary of Subhasitas. Summary is Subhasitas are an integral part of Sanskrit literature. They give us knowledge about ethic and correct behavior. Such knowledge is very useful to every person in life. They guide us through the innumerable hardship that come our way in life. Now student, hard words of Subhasitas. Hard words are परहस्तेषु कार्यकाले समुत्पन्ने कपिः दीयते भूतले अम्भः वारिवाह घृष्टं दग्धं भाति धुनीयते वार्यते प्रशरः रिपुः सस्यं सताम इक्षुदंडम. Student, now let's see some meanings of Subhasitas. Meanings are Parhastesu means in the hands of other. Karyakale samutpanne when there is need. Kapihi monkey. Diyate is given. Bhutale on the earth. Ambha means water. Varivaha clouds. Grishtam rubbed. Dagdham burnt. Bhati looks beautiful. Dhunyate sex. Varyate is prevented. Prasarah spread. Ripuh enemy. Sasyam grain. Satam of the gentleman. Iksudandam sugarcane stick. Let's start student translation of Subhasitas. Translation number first verses is पुस्तकेषु हिया विद्या परहस्तेषु यद् धनम कार्यकाले समुत्पन्ने न सा विद्या न तद्धनम. Meaning के पुस्तकेषु means in the books. Hiya vidya, vidya means knowledge, and parhastesu, par means other, hastesu means hand. Yad dhanam, dhanam means wealth. Karyakale, times of deed. Nasa vidya, natad dhanam means ke no knowledge and no dhanam means ke wealth. So translation is the knowledge which is in books and the wealth which has gone into other people's hand. When the need arises, that knowledge and that wealth are of no use. मीन्स के दूसरों के हाथ में गई हुई जो हमारा धन है, जो दूसरों के हाथ में हमारा धन पड़ा है वो, और पुस्तक में पड़ी हुई विद्या हमें जब जरूरत होती है तो किसी भी काम की नहीं होती. नाउ स्टूडेंट वर्सेस नंबर 2. वृक्षः फलवन्ति भाति वृक्षं गुण्यते कपिः वृक्षेण वार्यते तापः जलं वृक्षाय दीयते वृक्षात् पतन्ति पर्णानि वृक्षस्य प्रसरो महान् वृक्षे खगाः निकुञ्जन्ति वृक्ष धन्योऽसि भूतले. So student, Vriksha means tree. In these verses, we saw importance of tree. Okay? Trees are very important in our life because Falvanti means ke fruits. Bhati Vriksham Dhunyate Kapihi. Kapi means ke monkey and Dhunyate means ke shake trees. Vrikshen Varyate Tapa. Varyate means ke prevent and tapa means के heat. Jalam वृक्षाय दीयते. Jalam means के water. वृक्षाय दीयते give to trees. Tree give us seeds, fruits and leaves, and trees give us also water. Vrukshas patanti parnani. Parnani means ke leaf. And vrukshasya prasaro mahan. Prasaro means ke spread over, means ke bhutale. Bhutale means ke earth. Vrukse khagaha nikujati. Khagaha means ke birds. Birds also like trees because birds chirp on trees. So translation is, the tree laden with fruit looks nice. Monkeys shade trees. Heat is prevented by trees. Water is given to trees. Leaves fall from the trees. The trees is spread over a large are birds chirp on trees. O tree, you are blessed on this earth. न कश्चित् कस्यचित् मित्रं न कश्चित् कस्यचित् रिपुः. व्यवहारेण हि जायन्ते मित्राणि रिपवस्तथा. And translation is, कश्चित् means के nobody, कस्यचित् means के anybody's, mitram means friend, and ripuhu means enemy. Vyavharen, vyavharen means के behavior, and jayante means made. के translation is, nobody is anybody's friend, nobody is anybody's enemy. Friends as well as enemies are made due to the behavior. Next verses is, पिबन्ति नद्यः स्वयमेव नाम्भः. स्वयं न खादन्ति फलानि वृक्षाः. नादन्ति सस्यं खलु वारिवाः. परोपकाराय सतां विभूतय. पिबन्ति means के to drink. नद्यः means के river. स्वयमेव. Student, here sandhi word is there. स्वयं plus eva. And नाम्भ also sandhi word. ना plus अम्भ. अम्भ means के clouds. स्वयं न खादन्ति फलानि वृक्षा. फलानि means fruit, खादन्ति means to eat, and वृक्षाः means के tree. नादन्ति सस्यं खलु वारिवाः. नादन्ति सस्यम means के themselves. खलु वारिवाः. वारिवाः means के grain. परोपकाराय सतां विभूते. परोपकाराय means के good men or good people. Vibhutaya means के benefits of others. And nadanti word also is sandhi word is here. Na plus adanti. And translation is, rivers do not drink their water themselves. Trees do not eat their fruits themselves. The clouds themselves truly do not eat the grain. The wealth of good men is for benefit of others. Next verses is, Ganga, Sindhu, Saraswati, च यमुना, गोदावरी, नर्मदा, कावेरी, सरयू, महेंद्रतनया, चर्मवती, वेदिका, क्षिप्रा, वेत्रवती, महासुर नदी, ख्याता, चया, गंडकी, पूर्णाः पूर्णजले हि समुद्र सहिता, कुर्वन्तु मे मंगलम. So student, here different types of river, and rivers water are very pure, and all these rivers are blessed on earth. So translation is, Ganga, Sindhu, Saraswati, Yamuna, Godavari, Narmada, Kaveri, Sarayu, Mahanadi, Charmavati, Vedika, Kshipra, Vetravati, Mahashur Nadi, and famous Jaya Gandaki river. All these rivers filled with abundant water merge with the sea and bless me. Now next verse is, Ghrustam Ghrustam Punarapi Punah Chandanam Charugandham. Chinnam Chinnam Punarapi Punah Shvadu Chaiveksu Dandam. Dagdham Dagdham Punarapi Punah Kanchanam Kantavarnam. Na Pranante Prakruti Vikruti Jayate Sajjananam. And student, translation is, Ghrustam Ghrustam means again and again rubbing, repeated rubbing. Charugandham. Charugandham means के Chandanam. Charugandham means sandalwood. Charugandham means sweet. Chinnam Chinnam. Chinnam Chinnam means cutting repeatedly. Punarapi Punah means के repeatedly. Swadu Cheveksu Dandanam. Cheveksu Dandanam means ke sugarcane stick. Dagdham Dagdham Punarapi Punam. Dagdham Dagdham. Dagdham means ke heat. To heat. Punarapi Puna means ke repeatedly. Kanchan Kantavanam means ke beautiful color of gold. Na Pranante. Pranante means ke time of death. Prakruti Vikruti means character. Sajjana Nam. Sajjan means ke great man. So translation is, even after rubbing repeated, sandalwood remains sweet smelling. Even after cutting repeatedly, the sugarcane stick remains sweet. Even after heating repeatedly, gold becomes beautiful in color. Even at the time of death, there is no change in the character of great men.